When something is important enough, you do it even if the odds are not in your favor. Don't worry about the chances of success or failure. Make sure it is possible, then attack with full force. I think it is possible for ordinary people to choose to be extraordinary. Really pay attention to negative feedback and solicit it, particularly from friends. Ellipsis. Hardly anyone does that, and it's incredibly helpful. If you get up in the morning and think the future is going to be better, it is a bright day. Otherwise, it's not. People work better when they know what the goal is and why. It is important that people look forward to coming to work in the morning and enjoy working. I wouldn't say I have a lack of fear. In fact, I'd like my fear emotion to be less because it's very distracting and fries my nervous system.